You're watching Stuart J, the Bowtie Cook, with simple seasonal recipes.
Welcome back to the channel, and today what are we making? Well, we're making a proper sausage roll. Once you've tried this, you won't go back to a shop for one, and it's a foot long. The reason why I like this is because it's a real quick, simple dish. You can make it on a Friday night or a Saturday, ready for the weekend. And the main ingredient we're going to use first of all is the puff pastry. So let's roll that out like so, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay the bacon on the puff pastry. Now once you've done that, remember you're going to need to leave a strip along here so you can seal the pastry. Let's put on the nutmeg like so, sprinkle that on there, and the sage, and all we have to do is just roll it like so. As I said, we're going to leave that edge there, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to seal it with the egg wash. Then roll that over nice and tight. We're just going to cut off the excess, and we can use that, put some cheese on that, and make cheese straws. Be nice, like so. I'm going to leave it on the paper it came in, the puff pastry. There you can see, that's ready. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to egg wash it, seal the ends. Just cut this piece off, like so. Take my knife and then I'm just going to score the top to make it look really nice when it puffs up in the oven. Here we go. And then I'm going to add nigella seeds. Just sprinkle those on top to give it a nice finish. And they do give it a nice flavour as well. And that's it. That's done. There you go. Within 5 minutes, they're ready. Now, all we have to do, put that in the fridge for an hour to let it set, and then we'll put it into a hot oven. Okay, we've got to make those cheese straws, which I said I would, of the offcut. So I'm just going to cut those down to the centre. Just a few nigella seeds, and then I've got some Parmigiano cheese here. Or actually, it's not Parmigiano, it's Pecorino. I prefer Pecorino cheese. It's not as strong, a little bit of a milder flavour. There you go. Easy cheese straws with some leftover puff pastry. Last in, first out, those cheese straws. Don't they look scrumptious? Wow, doesn't that look stunning? Good sausage meat, flaky pastry, and a couple of simple touches that make all the difference. So, until next time, bye for now.